Hello, my name is Craig Cole, and I'm here to talk about selling options. And currently, my son-in-law has a very small portfolio. He's accumulated Virgin Atlantic. Uh, the stock symbol is SPCE. He's been putting $10 or $20 a week into his portfolio. And so far, he's managed to buy 156 shares of this stock. And he has another $1,500 cash. And we're going to see what we can do as far as accumulating more shares plus accumulating cash. So, what we're going to be doing is selling covered calls. So currently the stock price is at $3.06. Uh, we'll be able to sell four different options. And what we want is we want them to expire every week. And this particular stock has options that trade every week. So we're going to start out by selling an option. We're going to sell a put option. And July 13th is Friday, so we're not going to go for that. We're going to go for the June 20th, $3. We want it as close to the actual stock price as we can get because we actually want the stock. We want it to be assigned to us. So let's click on that. Go over here. It's sell to open. 620. Gonna write that down. And we're going to go the mid range, which is 16 cents. And we're going to put good till canceled. Review order. Sell to open. June 20th. $3 strike. And we'll collect $15.34. And now remember, one option equals 100 shares. So if that was assigned to us, we would get 100 more shares. And see, currently we have 156. So we're going to place that order and we're going to go down to the June 27th. We're going to mid range is 20 cents. We're going to go 20 cents. Good till canceled. Always review. I made a couple mistakes hitting the wrong button. We'll collect, that's on 627. We'll collect $19.34. And we're going to place that order. Now we're going to come down to the July 3rd. Now it's saying $1.15. This gets kind of screwy after hours. If somebody had put in a buy bid or a sell bid just at the market closed, it will skew these numbers. I had looked earlier and they were going for about 32 cents. So 32 cents was the mid range. Good till canceled. That's a 7-3. Review order. Aha, I see. That's what I'm talking about. It said buy to open. That's wrong. Sell to open. 32 cents. Review order. That'll give us 31, 34. We're going to place that order. The last one is July 11th. Mid range is also 32. We're going to go 40. Yeah, we're going to go 40. July 11th. Review order. Sell to open. 39.34. Now, my son-in-law and I had already sold a call on the 100 shares, and we sold them last week. We sold them for 10 cents a share, and that call was for 350, and I think we're in pretty good shape that it's not going to go up to $3.50 tomorrow. I mean, it could. Like I said, uh, this thing moves all over the place. But by the end of the day, the odds are stacked in our favor that it's not going to be exercised. So I'll keep an eye on it throughout the day just in case. But right now, it's only trading at 1 cent a share. So it'd be no big deal to buy it back if I think it's getting too close. And that's the idea, is we're going to be selling puts as well as selling calls. So if we get assigned any of these, uh, we'll just turn around and sell calls, and we're going to sell them right at the money. But we're going to sell them because we want options to expire every single week. So, like the one tomorrow, it if it expires, we'll sell another call, but we're going to sell it out to the July 18th. And in this way, we can collect the maximum amount of premium on these. Even though they are only a few cents, if you add up everything that we've collected so far, or will collect, those should go off. And if they don't, we'll adjust. That's $105. So how long would it have taken him to um, accumulate $105? At $20 a day, or I mean $20 a week. So if we divide that by the current stock price, we could buy 34 more shares, and that would get us close to 200 shares. So that's the idea, is we want these options to expire every week or get assigned. And if we get assigned, then we're going to sell calls on it. And we're just going to keep on rotating and rotating and rotating. And that's the experiment. Like I said, I've never worked with this small of a stock, the share price this small. Normally don't. Um, to me, anything under $10, I usually stay away from. But he's adamant about collecting shares on this company, and if any of those calls that we sell get close, we can roll them up into the following month. I've managed to accumulate 3,300 shares of a company called GigaCloud, doing pretty much the same thing as this, and it works really well. I have had to roll up the calls into the next month or 3 months down the line, but I have not sold a single share, and I've collected a lot of money on that. So this is an experiment. I'm going to be posting things probably every week about this. If you look, if you'd like to follow us, I'll be posting on coltechinvestments.com also. Thank you for listening and watching.